Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook authentication error in Call of Duty Mobile. It's a very simple fix. All you do is go to your phone's settings, then search for Date and Time. In the Date and Time section, simply disable the automatic feature right over here. And after you've done that, simply go back to the main menu where your game is. Then press and hold on your game icon, then go to App Info. And over here, simply scroll down till you find the Location option. If you're unable to find it, go to App Permissions. And over here, just simply see if you have the Location option. If not, go to Other Permissions, and then find if you have the location option over here or not. If you don't have any of that, simply go to the settings option again and turn off the location setting of your phone entirely. So just simply search for location, then click on location and disable the option. And after that, go back to the Call of Duty mobile app icon, press and hold on the application, go to App Info, and then clear the cache file by clicking on Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and then hit OK. And now try to launch the application and see if the issue is fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.